So looking at, in this video, we're looking at why insight alone doesn't change the pattern. Understanding a pattern doesn't automatically change it or dissolve it. And many women who understand the problem long before they are able to actually change it, because change requires more than awareness, and it requires nervous system healing. Your nervous system, if you've been living in this situation for years, your nervous system is very dysregulated, and you actually need support networks to help you to regulate your nervous system again, and to help you to get past the denial of the situation that you're in and be able to see what's happened to your brain while you've been in this. This is a complex and multi-dimensional situation. It's not black and white, and it's definitely not simple. What you need as well is identity rebuilding, because you've lost yourself and you're maybe only starting to realize that you have lost yourself. And how do you find yourself again? And do you want to go back to being that immature person who got into this situation in the first place? As Einstein said, the kind of thinking that got you into it won't get you out of it. And unfortunately, that's what people try to do. So what you actually need is practical life restructuring. And recovery is rarely a single dramatic decision. It usually is a series of courageous steps taken over time. And done in a community of people who have walked the walk that you're walking. And it's not just to talk. They understand, those who have gone before you and have managed to come out the other side of it. So I leave you with the question: have you ever understood something intellectually long before you were emotionally ready to change it? That's usually what happens for most of us. So just knowing about it, or having some awareness or insight about it, doesn't get you, and it can take you years. I had a client who was showing me a letter that she wrote as a 24-year-old to her mother, saying, "This is not the kind of life I want to have, and I am thinking of leaving this relationship. I'm only 24 years old, and I don't want to carry on living this way." And it was 15 years later before she actually left. And in the next video, we'll be looking at the moment freedom begins. And yeah, so I'll cover that in the next video. So bye for now. Bye.